Picture rushing to an important meeting. You turn the key and nothing happens. Dead battery. Or notice dangerously low tire pressure miles from the nearest station. These stressful scenarios are completely avoidable. This 1000 amp 7-in-1 emergency jump starter belongs in every vehicle. 7 essential tools in one compact portable unit. The massive power jump starts any vehicle from compact cars to trucks, even in freezing weather. The built-in air pump delivers 150 PSI for quick, accurate tire inflation with digital pressure gauge. Works on 6.4-gallon gasoline or 3.8-gallon diesel engines, covering virtually every car on roads. The bright LED emergency light provides excellent nighttime illumination, keeping you visible and safe. USB ports charge phones during emergencies. The compact design fits easily in your trunk with long-lasting battery holding charge for months. This is the device you hope never needing, but are incredibly grateful having when trouble strikes. Don't wait for emergencies to wish you had this. The link is in the description and comments.